Hello, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Our new lesson, third lesson, and says Dal to Za. Okay, first we are practice our all old lesson Alif to Kha. Okay, this is very neatly. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء. And today lesson 4 alphabets Dal to Za. دال 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 دال. Okay, dal, no shortly, this is longly. Okay, dal and very strictly. Okay, dal dal. Dal is no. This is wrong. Dal, no. Dal. This is very correct. Okay. Dal, no. Wrong. This is wrong. Dal. Okay. Next. Dal. Very softly. Okay. This is very softly alphabets Arabic. Okay. Zal, zal, no. Zal, this is wrong, no correct. Okay, longly. Zal, zal. Okay, and zal, no. This is very wrong. Okay, correct. What is zal? Please follow me and copy me. Okay, Ra. Next is Ra. Okay, next word is Ra. Arabic alphabets Ra. Okay, Ra, no. Ra is wrong. Ra. This is Ra. Okay, and Ra, no, wrongly, no wrongly, this is wrong. Ra. And next is Za. Okay, Za, no longly. Okay, very shortly. Za. And we repeat all Alif to Za. Alif. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال راء زا دال راء زا دال Ra, Za. Okay, and this is today lesson. Okay, and next lesson number 4. Next wait for new lesson. Okay, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.